you're so blessed in your life. What do you do spiritually to stay grounded?
I represent my family. I try to really just, understand every aspect about the Most High. For me, the Most High is Allah. And all praise is due to Allah, Lord of all worlds, the greatest, the beneficent, the merciful, the Most High. And I live my life by Islam. And at the end of the day, I think that's pretty much what grounds me in the way that I think most people should be grounded, and that's just enjoying who you are as a human life, as opposed to trying to add all of these other additives and preservatives to your perspective on life, where you think you this person much more than another person. Just being you, being in tune with your spirit, being in tune with your reality as far as life is concerned, and definitely being in tune with your family.